everyone, welcome to Maneuver GK and Current Affairs series. This is the part 7 guys. I already given the from 1 to 6 which is most expected question from 2020 and highly expected for your exam, and today also we'll discuss about the most expected question from the last month. So in this video here I will cover the 7 important news and related to this news some static information that will be also helpful for your exam guys. And before start the discussion, here is the one important information for your preparation. We have started the program for the TIS 2020. If you are targeting the TIS 2022, so this is the very right time for you to start your preparation. Here you can join the program where you will get the live classes, books, shortcut method, doubt classes, recorded video, pre-recorded video that will be helpful for you to clear your basic concept, topic wide test, mock test, and WhatsApp group, more than 10,000 plus question and mentorship for the guidance purpose. So everything is there for your preparation and you can register. Google form link is given below, and if you want to call to us, so you can call on this number. Otherwise for the counseling purpose you can fill this Google form, so our counselor will contact you and you can also clear your doubt and query. Okay, now come to the current affairs part. So first important news here in MCQ format, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award renamed as which award? So very important, and अभी कल ही डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है जो कि 2 नवंबर को अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था एंड 13 नवंबर को इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई टेकन दिस क्वेश्चन हियर एंड वेरी सून आई विल गिव यू द वन वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन द ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट अवार्ड रिलेटेड टू द स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन, जितने भी अवार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए, एंड हाईली एक्सपेक्टेड एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन विल कम इन योर एग्जाम, बिकॉज अभी जब एग्जाम्स होगा दिसंबर जैन मंथ के नियर बाई, सो लास्ट 3 मंथ करंट अफेयर्स इज अ very important and this award related news is a highly expected. So इसको आप आपके एंड से भी अच्छे से स्टडी कर लेना. नाउ सी द व्हाट आर द ऑप्शन. बलबीर सिंह सर खेल रत्न अवार्ड, मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड, मोहम्मद सईद खेल रत्न अवार्ड एंड धनराज पिल्ले खेल रत्न अवार्ड. सो आई होप एवरीवन इज अवेयर बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी फेमस न्यूज एंड स्टडी इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी हुआ है. सो राइट आंसर इज अ मेजर ध्यानचंद Khel Ratna Award, and here you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award will be renamed Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, and the Prime Minister said the move was based on the numerous requests he received from the across the nation. So काफी better initiative है, एक sport person के नाम पे भी होना चाहिए. Okay, and here is some static information related to this award. The award was inaugurated in 1991 and 92. The award comprised the medallion and certificate that cash prize 25 lakh. So ये भी क्वेश्चन का समटाइम फ्रेम हो सकता है कि ये जो खेल रत्न अवार्ड है कितना अमाउंट स्पोर्ट पर्संस को दिया जाता है. ओके, एंड हियर यू कैन सी द रोहित शर्मा रेसलर, विनेश फोगाट, विमेन्स हॉकी टीम कैप्टन रानी रामपाल एंड मोर पीपल, 12 पीपल को मेजर ध्यानचंद खेल रत्न अवार्ड इस ईयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुआ है. सो इन सब के नाम आपको रिमेंबर्स होने चाहिए. इनसे किसी से भी कनेक्ट करके क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, स्पेशली इस एग्जाम में ऑड मैन आउट टाइप के क्वेश्चन फ्रेम हो सकते हैं. 3 स्पोर्ट पर्संस के नाम दिया रहेगा एंड देन क्वेश्चन विल आस्क विच वन इज द डिफरेंट वन, कौन सा इसमें से डिफरेंट है. सो इट मे बी पॉसिबल कि जितने भी ये खेल रत्न अवार्ड रिसिपिएंट है इनके नाम हो कोई एक दूसरे प्लेयर्स का नाम हो जाए, तो वो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए तो एटलीस्ट जितने भी स्पोर्ट पर्सन ने ये अवार्ड रिसीव किया है उनके एक बार नाम आपको चेक कर लेना है. सो स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन से हाईली रिकमेंडेड न्यूज है. सो यहाँ से क्वेश्चन की पॉसिबिलिटी है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वन इज आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन FAO conference take place. Okay, so this is a very small news, but organization is very important because last year this organization received the Nobel Prize. Okay, so that's why I taken this question. So 3 years, 2 years, 1 year and 4 years. So agricultural organization, this organization is a important as a headquarter point of view also, and last year this organization received the International Food Program, its agency. So it's received the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, so to play the very important role in this corona pandemic period, so that's why it's important, you should to know about it. For the 2 years it's conducted its conference, and here you can see the recently 2021 the Union Minister Agriculture and Farmer Welfare addressed the 42nd session of the Food and Agricultural conference, and then conference take place every 2 years, and FAO supreme governing body, and what are the important and static information here. So its headquarter, here you can see its headquarter is, where is it? In Italy. Okay, so headquarter point of view से भी important है. And one more important thing, as per the important day point of view, World Food Day is celebrated every year on 16 October. So here is a 2 static information that is very important. And last year this organization received the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, so at least one question के साथ 3 to 4 informations आपके update हो गए. Now see the third one, Claire Polchok said become first female match official in the man test match held from which country. So this is the first time a women will be the umpire, field umpire, so in men's test match. So that's why it's important, because you had seen the first type of the question is a highly possible. It means कुछ भी अगर से first time होता है ना, first female, first man, या किसी ने first time कुछ किया है, so इस type के news highly expected होते हैं. So now see the option England, Australia, Austria and France. So what is the right answer? So C, the right answer is C is from Australia, and here you can see Australia. Claire Polchok is set to become the first female match official in the men's test match when she take up the fourth umpire role in the third test between India and Australia, and she started. The 32 years old from the New South Wales has already earned the distinction of being the first woman on field umpire in man ODI match ICC Division 2 league between the Namibia and Oman played at the Windhoek in 2019. So अभी तक ODI का भी इनके नाम से ही था, and now टेस्ट का भी इनके नाम से ही है. सो फर्स्ट टाइम women, so that's why it's important, and स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन से भी है, so उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. नाउ सी द फोर्थ वन, AMPHEX21 exercise conducted by Indian Navy is with whom? So basically this is the exercise of India in the country, not with other countries. So internal एक exercise है on Andaman Nicobar Island पे. So basically question is asking with which armed force? So Army and Air Force. Army, Air Force are none of these. So Indian Navy का ये military exercise बोल सकते हो कि with other कौन से आर्म फोर्स के साथ ये कंडक्ट किया है. सो इंटरनल है, इस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. आर्मी एंड एयर फोर्स इज अ राइट आंसर. जस्ट रिमेंबर AMPHEX21 इज अ इंटरनल मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज. किसी कंट्री के साथ आप रिलेट करके मत रिमेंबर करना, बिकॉज दिस इज द इंटरनल एक्सरसाइज. एंड द डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन हियर. द लार्ज स्केल ट्राई सर्विस ज्वाइंट एम्फेबियस एक्सरसाइज AMPEX, नाम से ही आप आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज फॉर द लैंड एंड वाटर and was held in Andaman Nicobar group of island. An exercise involved in the participation of the troops of Army, Navy as well as the Indian Air Force. The exercise was aimed at validating the Indian capability of the safeguard the territorial integrity of its island territories. So basically ये सारे आर्मीज का combined exercise है. So that's why it's important. So just remember military exercise से भी sometime question frame होते हैं. Now see the next one. Who has become the first Indian chairperson at UNHRC advisory? Very important. So Poonam Gupta, Geeta Gopinath, Rekha Menon and Ajay Malhotra. So important appointment section. अगर कोई important Indian personality is appointed in any agency of the United Nations या foreign या फिर NOI, कहीं पे इस तरह से अगर कोई अपॉइंटमेंट होता है तो काफी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है करंट अफेयर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एंड इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. ओके, सो नाउ राइट आंसर इज अजय मल्होत्रा, एंड हियर यू कैन सी अजय मल्होत्रा बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, इलेक्टेड एज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन एडवाइजरी कमिटी of the Human Rights Council. He has been on Indian team and negotiating the issue biological diversity, climate change and desertification, education, energy and जो भी topics होते हैं nation to nation, उन सब के लिए leadership करेंगे. and इनसे related और भी static information है, but as per the current affairs point of view just remember his name and where is the headquarter of UNHRC advisory. so आपको इसका comment में देना है where is the headquarter of the UNHRC, United Nation Human Rights Council, where is the headquarter of it. so you have to give the answer in the comments. okay, next one is the who has won the prestigious Wildlife Photographer of Year People Choice Award 2021. Very very important. and Sergey Greshok, Brent Stratton, Tim Lemon and Robert Irwin. okay, so these all are the name of the person and wildlife photographer से भी questions आते हैं exams में and highly expected भी है ये because of the जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का वाइल्ड फायर था काफी it was dangerous. so it may be possible related to this news, हो सकता है question frame हो जाए. so now right answer is the Robert Irwin, and here you can see Robert Irwin, an Australian wildlife photographer, has won the first prize in the Wildlife Photographer of the Year People Choice Award contest. so Robert won the award in image title, here you can see Bushfire, which is the picture of devastating Australian bushfire 2020. so काफी dangerous था वो, काफी animals मारे गए थे इस disaster में. so important है उस point of view से भी. okay, next and the last one is the Gandhi Peace Prize for year 2020 is being conferred on whom? very very important from the award section guys. just remember Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said and Bang Bandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Yoi Sasakawa and Ekal Abhiyan Trust. so what is the name of the person who received the Gandhi Peace Prize 2020? very very important award from the India, so highly expected. so right answer is a Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Very important and highly expected. And here you can see the details. Gandhi Peace Prize for year 2020 is being conferred on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and the committee selected the name of the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is a recognition of his outstanding contribution toward the social, economic and political transformation through the non-violent and other Gandhian method. Okay, so basically गांधी जी के विचारधारा के टाइप के पर्सन थे, एंड जो इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश का रिलेशन है काफी कंट्रीब्यूशंस है इनका. एंड हियर इज सम डिटेल्स रिलेटेड टू द गांधी पीस प्राइज एंड एनुअल अवार्ड इंस्टीट्यूटेड बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया सिंस 1995 एंड 125th birth anniversary commemorate year the Mahatma Gandhi. The award is open to all the person regardless nationality, race, language, caste, creed or sex, and the award carries the amount of the 1 crore and a citation and plaque and exquisite traditional handcraft handloom item. Okay, so these all are the things which is given with the award. Okay, so these all are the important news and most expected for your exams, and in a next video I also give the most expected and important news for the TISS 2020, because I appear the TISS exams continue last 3 years, so I know the what type of the questions and question paper का क्या nature होता है. And you can also analysis the last year paper which is on YouTube, so you can search on YouTube maneuver TISS net GK question analysis, so exact question you can see. And basically जो क्वेश्चन मैंने यहाँ डिस्कस किया इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम्स में फ्रेम होते हैं. ओके, सो इफ यू आर सीरियसली प्लानिंग फॉर योर एग्जाम्स एंड वांट टू इन डिटेल स्टडी, सो यू कैन जॉइन आवर प्रोग्राम. एंड इफ योर फ्रेंड एंड योर फैमिली मेंबर, इफ एनीवन इज प्लानिंग टू अपीयर द TISS 2020 and 2023, so you can share this video with them. And if you want to call to us, so number is given 8828581455. You can call to us, and in this program live classes, classroom, book, mock test and everything is given which is important to crack this exam. Okay, and for the classroom coaching you can inquire on these number for the Borivali, Vasai and Dadar, and you can follow us on a social media to get the continued update related to the notification, exams update and paper analysis. And what was my question, UNHRC का headquarter कहाँ पे है, you have to give the answer in the comment. And if you want a video on any particular topic, so you can comment. So definitely if it will be important, so I will make the video on that topic. Okay, see you in next part. Thank you.